Śrī Śrī Gopāla-campū is in two parts. It's called Purva Campu and Uttar Campu, means the earlier part and later part. Just like Bhagavatam is divided, the 10th canto, in two parts. First 50 chapters and the next 40 chapters. They're divided like that. And it's primarily based on Bhagavatam. Stories of Krishna are being explained here. And it's basically the theology of Krishna Sandarbha is included here in Gopal Campu. So whatever the theological principles Sri Jiva Goswami has established in Krishna Sandarbha, they will all come here in Gopal Campu, but they will come as part of story. So it gives the story of Sri Krishna from beginning and primarily based on Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam, but he also adds some other parts from Vishnu Purana, Harivansh Purana, Skanda Purana, and Brahmanda Purana. Some stories which are not in Bhagavatam, like the Holi, this color festival, is not there in Bhagavatam. So that you'll see here. Or the story of Radhakund, it's not there in Bhagavatam. So that you'll find here. Krishna's coming back to Vrindavan. You don't see it directly mentioned in Bhagavatam, although in Krishna Sandarbha, Sri Jiva Goswami, he tried to derive it from Bhagavatam slokas. So that they will come in more detail here in this Gopal Campu. So this Campu is a special type of Sanskrit literature. In Sanskrit, there are three types of literature or writings: Padyamaya, Gadyamaya, and mixture. So Padya means poetry, Gadya means prose, and Campu is that which is a combination of both. So Gadya Padyamayam Kavyam Campuritya Vidhiyate. So that kavya, that poetical composition, which consists of both Gadya and Padya, prose and poetry, that is called Campu. There have been many great Campus, Nala Campu, Yash Campu, there is a Campu Ramayana also, Campu Mahabharata, various types of Campus are there. But Śrī Gopāla Campu is very special. One thing is that its mere size is amazing. I mean, if you see that there are two big volumes of this, it is quite amazing. And then there are different types of meters used, all types of meters. Vrudavalis, some places are like not only poetic, but like a play, dialogue is going on. So that is also used. All kinds of sahityik, alankaras, and all types of vrittis. Everything is you will find in this book. And on top of that, this has got the usage of all the sutras of Harinamamrita Vyakaran. And the other interesting thing is that the number of words which have been used here is that those of you who are familiar with Amar Kosh, and another one which is very famous is Trikandshresh and Medini Kosh. All the words which are used in these three dictionaries, they have been used here in Gopal Campu. So you can understand the brain of Jiva Goswami, that all these words are there in his brain, means he knows everything, all these dictionaries by heart. And then there are so many prayers which you will find in Gopal Campu, and very beautiful ragas and songs which can be sung with musical instruments. You know that Jayadev Goswami wrote Geet Govinda, and Geet Govinda is very musical. It is one of the topmost musical poetry which even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to hear. And this Geet Govinda is the one which is sung in front of Lord Jagannath in Jagannath Puri. But the types of songs like Geet Govinda, you will find hundreds of such songs here in Gopal Campu. All the people don't know this, but the same caliber of songs, Jiva Goswami writes hundreds of them in Gopal Campu. And all the tattva related with the name, form, qualities, and pastimes of Krishna, Nama, Rupa, Leela, Guna, that is which you will find here in Gopal Campu. So it's quite an amazing work, Sri Jiva Goswami, although not so well known, and that is because of the complexity of the Sanskrit which is used. Not everybody can translate it. You have to be really a master of Sanskrit Vyakaranam, besides knowing the Sahitya and Alankara and Chandas, and you have to know all the koshas to translate it, and then it's so voluminous. So these are the reasons that it is not very, very popular, not so much known, but those who are in the field of Sahitya, they know about it.